What should a child do when a big problem suddenly happens? One night, the lantern that guided every bird home suddenly went dark. And just like that, the tiny birds below could no longer find their way home. What would Sera do now? Sera felt scared, very scared. The birds were confused. The lantern was dark, and nobody knew why. But instead of panicking, Sera took a deep breath, picked up her flashlight, grabbed her notebook, and started searching for answers. The great sky lantern had always helped birds find their way home, night after night. Its warm light guided them safely through the darkness. But tonight, something was terribly wrong. The light was gone, and the sky felt darker than ever before. Sera knew she had to find out what happened. Inside the lantern room, Sera began looking for clues. She spotted a tiny feather, then a loose screw on the floor. She carefully wrote everything down. Every clue mattered. Every detail could help solve the mystery. But the biggest question still remained. Who caused the lantern to fail? Sometimes, big problems can feel impossible to solve, especially when nobody knows where to start. But calm thinkers do something different. They slow down, they observe, and they look for clues others might miss. Then, Sera heard a quiet chirp. She turned around and saw Mimo. The little bird looked nervous. He looked sad, and beside him was a broken star mirror. Suddenly, the mystery began to make sense. Mimo lowered his head. He didn't mean to cause trouble. It had all been an accident. For a moment, Sera could have blamed him. She could have gotten angry, but instead, she chose something better. Together, Sera and Mimo made a plan. Step by step, they worked carefully. The loose screw was tightened. The mirror was fixed. Piece by piece, the lantern came back to life. First a tiny glow, then a brighter glow, and then the entire sky lit up once again. The birds cheered, Mimo smiled, and Sera learned something important. When a problem appears, stop, look, think, and make a plan. Because every big problem becomes smaller when you solve it one step at a time. Help your child learn problem-solving skills, calm thinking, and confidence through story time. This printable story and coloring activity is perfect for children ages 3 to 6. Print it, color it, read it together, and learn valuable life lessons along the way. Get the full printable adventure using the link below. Every great adventure teaches something special, and every challenge is a chance to grow. If you enjoy magical stories that inspire young minds, subscribe for more adventures every week. We'll see you in the next story, Under the Stars.